Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is another episode of Behind the Enthusiast. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new product for you guys that is going to be for the Harley-Davidson Pan America. Now, this product is the S1R exhaust system by Two Brothers Racing. I haven't done anything like this for you guys before, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up the box, we're going to look at the quality of the welds, the quality of the end cap, everything. We're going to go through what pieces are in there as well. And so without further ado, let's get into it. So, as you guys can see, this is really well packaged. You know, they don't take any chances with shipping this item. And underneath was all the hardware, the exhaust pipe to install the muffler on as well. We've got all the components needed for the installation. There you guys can see the bracket that comes with it. Now, the exhaust features are actually a durable ceramic stainless steel construction, Teflon coated magnesium end cap, stamped spring fit inlet, aluminum CNC machined outlet, rubber lined styled mount, which is what you guys saw, spiral wound perforated core, which you guys are also going to see as well. And you also get to retain the OEM cat, which is always a bonus. Well, guys, what did you think of the Two Brothers Racing Pan America S1R exhaust system? I know this is the first time I've done this type of unboxing and product reveal. This is a brand new product. They just shipped it to us about a week ago now. And so basically I'm going to be doing, any type of marketing, if you will, so kind of like advertising for this product because this is the only one we have right now. So the first person who comes in and actually wants one of these, I don't know what the price is right now, by the way, so you guys are going to have to call the dealership, so you can either speak to myself or someone else in the parts department at Claire's Harley-Davidson. So again, this is an unboxing, a brand new product. I haven't heard it other than the audio clip on the Two Brothers Racing website, which obviously you guys can check out if you want. But if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. If you guys want to leave any comments down below, let me know what you guys think of this. Let me know what your impressions are of this. Personally, I really like it. It's very clean, very sleek, very stealthy. Quality looks really, really good on it. And so I cannot wait for someone to actually put this on their bike. Or we might even throw this on a demo bike. I'm not entirely sure what the sales team has in store for us for demos this summer, but there is the potential of this going on a demo bike so that we can actually showcase the exhaust note and the styling of it installed on a bike. And so obviously if that ends up being an opportunity for us, I will make a second video showing the installation process if possible, and of course the finished product on the bike. And of course I will do my best to get the best crisp sounding exhaust note recorded for you guys because I absolutely love tuned exhausts, and if it doesn't sound right when I've recorded it, I will record it again and again and again until it sounds exactly like what I'm hearing right next to the bike. So again, that's it for this one. It's very short and sweet. And so if you guys are loving this content and you don't want to miss out on any future videos, make sure to subscribe. All right, do it right now. Smash the like button, leave comments down below. I love reading comments, and I try to get back to each and every one of you who comment. So keep it coming, and I will catch you guys in the next one.